Hello guys, today I want to show you how to solve the prime, how to check the number if the number is prime here. Okay, so we are not gonna using any import library. We're not gonna using any library. Okay, so I mean we have to use our own way to solve. Yeah, like the regular if statement, for statement, for loop, no, for loop, just to check here. Okay, so we can use the for loop for the I in the range of the n here, right? Let's see. If the n percentage of the I that equals to 0, which means it can be divided. I mean, the remainder is 0. And for if you check everything, the remainder is not equal to 0. That means it's true. It's prime number, right? Oh, some of you may think that, oh, wait, this is a mistake, right? Yeah, I know. I know. I know you can spot the mistake, right? So where is the mistake? So if you write the code like this stuff, that means you already catch up the skill, but but just but it's just a minor mistake. So where's the mistake here? First of all, if you are not really bad at math, you will not you will discover that the denominator cannot be 0. Okay. Uh yeah. Any number if divided by the 0, that's not the number, not a number. So that means we have two. There's the one comma the n, right? Wait a second. Okay. Yeah. Uh okay. So and the other mistake is and there's another mistake here. The other mistake is that one. Do you think that one is a prime number? No, right? So we have to start at the one. We don't count the one here. We have to start at 2. Start at 2. And you'll find that it's already done. I mean, it's finished here. But some of you may think that if you think of the efficiency, so I mean you don't need to loop every number within the in the range of the 2 of to the n minus 1 minus 1, okay? Or you could use the n plus 1. It doesn't matter. N plus 1. It's fine. It's still right. You can divide by the 2. You can take the half. Just take the half. You don't need to check every number. Okay? If you if you if you know much about the prime number, you will find that you just need to check the half of the n, half of the values. That's already enough. Okay, fine. And if you want to, if you want to simplify the code more, you can use this. You can rewrite like you write the if statement like this. If not, here's the I, okay? And here's the column. It works too. It works too. But I think that's the most simplest way. If you have any ideas, feel free to comment here. Yeah, but there are some people think that they're the same. They produce the same result. Why you need to use the not syntax, not keywords, and not keywords here? So yes of the efficiency. If you use the not keywords, increase it can increase the efficiency. But for this question, it won't increase much efficiency. So it's not a matter if you choose to use the not keyword or just use the equal sign, equal to the keyword, it is not a matter. But if you are handling for big, big, big project, large project, the efficiency is a matter. Okay. I won't teach you much about the concept behind the efficiency here. Okay. So if